Hi, today I'm showing you a video of what I call my supersized train horns made out of PVC pipe. On eBay I have plans for sale for the 3-inch version, and these follow the exact same plans as my 3-inch version. So if you were to buy the booklet for that, you would still be able to build these right off the same plans. These are just the next size bigger fittings and next size bigger pipe. Instead of having a 3-inch reducer in the back, I'm using a 4-inch reducer on this one, and it goes down to a 2-inch and then finally down to a 1-inch pipe outgoing. And you'll notice on this one I've still got the funnel flares on there, but I've cut them way back. So I've got a funnel flare on there, and then I've got what is a nickel plated recessed lighting. This would go up in the ceiling of your house, and it's a recessed lighting fixture. Light bulb would go right inside there. Of course, it'd be up in your ceiling, and it was the exact same shape as the funnel, which I thought was neat, so I had to have them, had to put them on there and help really finish it off. I thought they looked pretty sharp. I've kind of based these on the M3 Nathan Airchime. Kind of got my little M3 looking horn mount up there that's out of just laminated particle board. 3/4 inch particle board with a laminate over top of it, like shelving, laminate shelving. And I tuned them to the same as M3. It's C sharp, E, and A. That's what they're blowing. Come around this side for you. So they really, I'm pretty happy with the way these sound. They really turned out nice. I'll show you what I got here to air them up with. Got my battery here. I've got a Puma air compressor. I'm really pleased with this air compressor. It's really doing a nice job for me. It has quite fast charge times. Right now in the golf cart here I just have one 11-gallon tank. I have horns, train horns on my car, and I run two 11-gallon air tanks on that, hooked together. And if it gets down to about 90 pounds of pressure, it takes about 4 minutes for this compressor to pump them back up to about 130 pounds of pressure. So that's what that looks like. I'm going to set the camera up out by the road here, and I'm going to run about 1/3 of a mile down the road with the golf cart, and I'll come back and I'll blow them from 1/3 of a mile away and then all the way back. So give me a minute here and we'll set up.